Raise your both hands. Touch your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, then keep your leg shoulder level. Now slowly bend your knees, bend forward, stay here. Interlock your ankle. Make a potta complete ga thighs ki touch అవుతూ ఉండాలి. 1, look straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly stretch your hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep your fingertips on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then come back to Malasan posture. Feet out. Stomach ni push cheyandi munduki. Keep your back straight. Take a normal breath. Focus on your Mooladhara chakram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now slowly stretch your hands forward. Fingertips out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 counts more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now keep your fingertips on the floor. 1, lengthen your spinal more, bend forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. More 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Then slowly come back. Raise your both hands. Slowly down. Okay. Now freely hang your legs. Relax.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.